In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online, an updated guide to help you get started and make the most of this powerful accounting tool. Whether you're a small business owner or just looking to streamline your finances, QuickBooks offers a comprehensive suite of features to manage your accounts efficiently. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, if you haven't signed up for an account, you need to head over to QuickBooks Philippines. Once there, click on the Sign Up option and follow the instructions to create your account. For those of you who have an account, simply click on Sign In to QuickBooks Online. Now enter your account credentials and proceed. You may be prompted to verify your identity, so make sure to click on I'm not a robot and then click on Continue. Once you've completed that verification, you'll be asked to enter your password. After doing so, click on Continue again to move forward. Upon signing in, you'll be presented with options to choose your company file. Select the file you wish to work on, and you'll be taken to the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard is crucial as it serves as your control center. On the left side, you'll see the menu displaying options such as dashboard, banking, sales, expenses, payroll, reports, taxes, and accounting. The main screen will give you a snapshot of your cash flow, invoices, and expenses. In the dashboard tab, you'll get an overview of recent activity and your company's financial health. Next, navigate to the feed to see all the latest transactions that have occurred. If you want financial reports, click on Reports to generate detailed summaries like profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. You can customize these reports by using filters to adjust date ranges and categories to suit your needs. Connecting your bank accounts is a vital step in managing your finances seamlessly. Click on Accounting and then link your bank. Select your bank and log in. QuickBooks will then automatically import your transactions. This connection facilitates automated updates to your financial records. To manage invoices and sales, navigate to the plus new button and select Invoice. You can create and send invoices and even customize them with your company logo and payment terms. Additionally, it's easy to track the status of each invoice, whether they are paid, unpaid, or overdue. Tracking expenses and bills is another key feature. Go to Expenses, click on Vendors, and then New Bill to record any bills you need to pay. You can also pay these bills directly through QuickBooks or mark them as paid if they've already been settled. For businesses handling sales tax, navigate to Taxes and then Sales Tax to configure the necessary settings. QuickBooks can automatically calculate sales tax on your invoices once enabled, ensuring compliance and accuracy. Lastly, reconciliation is essential for maintaining accuracy. Head over to Accounting and select Reconcile to match your bank statements with your QuickBooks accounts. Doing this monthly ensures that your books are accurate and ready for reporting and tax purposes. By following